Hello beautiful and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Chanel. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. Yes, I know I did not upload on Friday. You know how life goes. Sometimes stuff happens. So sorry, no video for Friday. But if you would like to know how I got the look that was on my thumbnail, then just keep watching. Alright, so we're going to jump right into this video. So the look that was in my thumbnail is actually the new Patrick Starrr with MAC Cosmetics collab, and it looks just like this. So they came out with two kits. One kit was called Me So Fleek and this one is called Me So Chic. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of unbox it for you and let you know what was inside of this box. Alright, so when you open up the box, it comes with a face card, and this is the look that you can create with the kit I purchased. And this is what it looks like. Honestly, I've had this kit sitting for like a week. Yeah, exactly a week today, and I'm just now playing with it. So, like I said, the kit I got was Me So Chic. It was, to me, a lot less bold and bright than the Me So Fleek one. I think that one's a little more adventurous in colors. I might end up getting that one later. But, you know, let me go ahead and show you guys the products. Alright, so the eyeshadow palette that came in my little kit looks just like this. And I have and this palette is called Stay With Me. So this is the eyeshadow quad called Stay With Me. And these are the shades you have here. So this shade here would be Daddy Star. This shade here is called Yes. This one here would be Queen Patrick. And this one is called Bonite. I don't know. But that's that other shade right there. So I'm going to do a look using all of these shades. Yes. This kit also came with a powder blush duo, and this is in I'm Not Blushing, and it came just like this. The packaging on this is just so pretty. So pretty. And this is what the duo blush looks like. It looks really pretty. I hope it shows up on my skin tone, but we will find out. The lipstick that came in the kit looks just like this, very pretty. And this is in the shade Sweet Mama Star, so that is what it looks like. This lip topper here looks like a lip gloss, or I don't know, but it's very pretty and sparkly. And this is called Mama Star, and it looks just like this. It's a very pretty glittery color, if you can see that. It's very, very pretty and shiny. So, let's get this look started. Alright, so you guys are up close, personal, all up in my face. So, let's go ahead and get started. So, as you saw this kit, it does not come with a transition shade at all. So I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Contour Kit, and I'm going to use a shade out of here to use as my transition shade. Alright, so now we're going to go into this palette. Now what I noticed is that this has a magnetic closure, so it's like, it's pretty cool. Alright, so the first shade I'm going to go in with, dang it. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is this very light pink color up here, which is called Daddy Star. So I'm going to use this to layer on top of my transition color. So I like have two of them with the same brush. These eyeshadows smell good. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but if you look at both at the different eyes, the color comes up. So these shadows are very pigmented. This is like, these are my first MAC eyeshadows, and so far I'm loving them. So yeah, we're just gonna layer that on there. And this is right above but below my brow bone, but it's above my crease. So it's like it's in my crease and above my crease. That's where I'm like placing this at. Alright, so the next color, as I'm trying to find a brush at the same time, that I'm going to go in with is this color down here called, it's going to be on the screen because I don't know how to say this word, but it's going to be this color right here, and I'm going to kind of start placing this color into the outer V and brush it through my crease. So that's where this color is going to be at right there. So I'm kind of like just placing it right now on the outer V. And as you can see, this is very pigmented. And I'm just going to use another brush and blend it out. A clean brush with no product. After that, I'm just going to go ahead and take this shade right here, which is called, what are you called? Yes! So I'm going to take this color right here and place it all over my lid. Alright, so this is the color dry with no added anything. So I'm going to add some Fix Plus onto my brush, and I'm going to see, you know, if we can get the color a little differently. Ah, yes, that's a lot better. If you can see the difference, it's a lot more vibrant than when it's dry. And then I'm just going to blend out the edges. Just a little bit. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and do the base and everything for my face, and then I will be back to finish off the face with all these cool products. So let me go ahead and finish my face. Before you set, if you did not know, you want to make sure you blend out your creases, or if you have like wrinkles or lines or premature lines, whichever. I've always had them. You want to make sure you blend that out right before you put your powder on, otherwise it's going to be cakey and you're going to see your creases a lot. Alright, so into the fun part, we're going to go into the blush. So I'm going to start off with the shade right down here. We're going to see if that color pops up on my face. That's a pretty color, and it's showing up. Yay! So we're going to do this one. Alright, now we're going to use the top one. See, the top one will make a difference. Ooh, that gives it more of a glow. So it's like a glowy blush. Ooh. Alright. That is kinda pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes and my mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. My lashes are on. I went ahead and lined my lips with my Jonte Blue lip liner in the color 943 Brown Sugar. So that's the color I chose to use today. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my lipstick. And this is called Sweet Mama Starrr. And it's a pretty... It's a pretty nude color, as you can see. So I'm happy I lined my lips. So let's go ahead and put this on. Alright, so that is the lip color right there. And it doesn't look too bad. Looks kind of nice. Let's kind of blend out these edges here. Blend them out. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with the gloss. Yes, and this is called Mama Starrr. Ooh, it smells pretty. And I just gotta... Ooh, that makes it glossy, y'all. Glossy. Alright, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna do my hair and come right back at y'all. Alright, beautiful. I am back. I have completed my look. What I that I did forget to show you guys was that I did show you guys I was going to use all of the colors in the palette, and I actually used this color right here for my lower lash line, and then I added this color just on the outside to blend them both together. So this is the finished look. You know what? No, it's not. Need to add some highlight. Hold on. Alright, so since we got like a high-end makeup look going on, because I did use Fenty Beauty as my base, we're going to go ahead and use some highlight. So I got some Becca and I got some Fenty. I don't know which one I want to use. Let's see. Let's see here. So, here. I think we're going to go for Becca. So I'm going to add some highlight with my Becca right here. And this is in, ooh, that's a little too much. Too much. Alright, and this is in the shade I can never say it right. Prosecco Pop. There we go. And we're going to highlight just right here. Just right on top of that blush we did. There we go. Alright. Alright. Now this look is complete. It is completed. I am happy. I look gorgeous. Woo! I just thought about it. This would be a... Stay over here. Stay. Okay. This will be a... Don't mind the boys in the background. Of course, you guys know how that goes. I'm a mom of 3 little boys, and you guys, if you have boys, you know how sometimes it gets. Just don't mind the noise. Okay, anyways. What was I saying? Yes, okay. I was about to say this will be a gorgeous look for like someone who's going to prom. I wish I wore this look when I went to my prom. So pretty. Except for I wasn't into purple, so wouldn't have been able to work out for me. But this is a gorgeous look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love doing these kind of tutorials. This is fun. This is gorgeous. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope this look inspired you not just to get this box right here or the other kit, which I'm strongly thinking about buying the other kit. because there's a blue color in there that I want to play with, but I'm not too sure because I already got blues and other palettes, so it's kind of like, do I want to get shades of the same color? I kind of do because I want the other one. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look that I came up with. It's not exactly like how the face card, you know, how you're supposed to challenge yourself and recreate on this face card. As you can tell, my look is a whole nother look going on, not what's on the card. Yeah. But the look came out so super cute. I thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you guys like these kind of videos where I do my face first and then I get ready and I come back at you guys, or I can try to do a whole get ready with me. That's gonna be a long video if I do the hair and the makeup, and I can fast forward it. But let me know if you guys want to see one of those. I'm willing to do it. You are supposed to be on this. Bobby pins never stay in. That's why I kind of like don't even mess with them. Good thing I'm really not going to prom, because I would be mad because that bobby pin ain't staying in. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed doing the look for you. In all honesty, after I filmed the video originally, I was like completely done, and I did my closing. I did just flat ironed my hair and everything. Then as I was getting ready for my Wine Wednesday video, I realized, hold on, I didn't do my lower lash line. And I just curled my hair and I said, nope, 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 they're going to redo it. So, you know, as you guys kind of see it playing over here, that's why, you know, it's going on, and I'm still talking. You know, that's what it is. That's what it was. I didn't like the whole outro thing, and I forgot to use the color out of the quad. So, yes. Wow, I'm still talking. That's okay. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial that I recreated or kind of created using the MAC with, or Patrick Starrr with MAC collab. By the way, this is Patrick Starr's second collaboration with MAC, and this is just the first collaboration items that I've actually purchased. Don't worry, Patrick. I'm gonna go back and get your powder, and probably the other kit too. Yeah. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, I am Chanel. Thank you for stopping by. And if you enjoyed this look and you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure your bell is turned on so you can always get notified every time a new video gets released from me. Yes, yes, for me. And if you didn't know, we are currently having a giveaway going on for my 300 subscriber giveaway. I will have the video link down below in the description box. Go ahead and check that out. And by the way, thank you to all of my subscribers who have subscribed and who have been with me for the long haul. Yes. And go check out that video for what's in that giveaway. I better take a picture of this. Hubby is gonna be like, what, girl? Alright, let's see if I can get me a good picture of this. Did I take it? I sure did. That's a cute picture! So cute, so cute. Oh, I love that picture. That's so cute. I'm about to upload it. So cute. Anyways, don't mind me. Alright. I held you up for too long. Alright. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you again later. Ooh, I'll talk to you again later. Alright. And always remember to embrace your beauty. I'll talk to you again. What? I don't know what date is going up. What? Wednesday? Yes! Well, Wednesday! Okay. Bye!